this is Cookies again. I'm going to teach you about colors. Yes, let's learn color to airplane. Are you excited as me? Yes, let's start. Which will be the first color that I'm going to teach? Okay, let's pick one. This is a gray airplane. See it? Wow! Okay, let's see the next color. It will be a yellow airplane. Yellow. Let's see. Wow! Okay, and the next color will be a red airplane. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's see, the next one will be a blue airplane. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! And the last color will be a black airplane. 1, 2, 3,